This spectacular, ultra-modern home is located in Palm Jumeirah. This luxurious home is great for entertaining and also for the families. It features this prominent staircase, a flow of natural light, and open living space. This garden has been very well designed, offers a perfect balance of landscaping, sitting area, temperature-controlled infinity pool, barbecue area, and all this with a stunning view of the Dubai skyline. And my favorite part of this house is this enormous closet, which gives you enough space for his closet and her closet.
Yeah.
And look at this master bedroom suite. Contemporary design, attention to detail. It flows into the huge ensuite with this incredible bathtub from where you can enjoy the views of the sea. Brian, I'm staying here. I'm not leaving.